guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Amanda. I am an environmental scientist, and today we're going to be cash stuffing $400. So I just want to show you guys some things that I got from Savings with Grace. First, it is this beautiful little cash tray. I don't know why I call it a cash tray. I don't know. It's just a little tray with a little ghosty. I thought it was so cute. And this is my new cash tray that I got. I love it. Anything pink, I love. So let's go ahead and get into the cash count. So we have 24681, 24682. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 90. So I'm missing $10 somewhere. So I might not be able to stuff my last binder if I counted that right, but we'll see because I don't feel like recounting it. So I also want to show you guys these items. I didn't actually do the unboxing, but I haven't opened this. Oh, I love it, and it matches the tray. So this is all from Savings with Grace. This tray, and this tray. I think I'm going to put this in my new binder that I got from Millennial Dollar, and this is for my daughter. I think I'll use this one. I'm going to put it right there. Yeah, I think I'll. Isn't that so cute? I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other one, so I'll just stick it back here for now. So the first thing I am going to cash stuff is my family binder, and I actually put some things in here to update it to help me not take money out. And I updated this. I just added some extra stuff here. I think my man's about to come in the house talking. So first thing we're going to cash stuff is we're going to add $20 to my emergency fund. So now I have in cash 100, 220. So I'm going to update this. And today is the 3rd. So next I'm going to add $5 to her ballet envelope, and I'll just update this first. And she will be at 15.
I know everybody wants to see me.
My man that likes to play too much interrupted the video. So we're going to add $5 here, and it should be at 15, 10, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And she is in not ballet or gymnastics, but jiu-jitsu. And it is $50 a month, which is not horrible. So we're going to go back to her envelope that I emptied out for her jiu-jitsu. And we're going to add $10. So she will be at 20. Now he's coughing. And that is going to be it for this binder. And these envelopes are from Upscale Currency. And I just redid my dashboard in this. I do have a dashboard from her as well that goes in here, but I was just playing around with making my own, so I just went ahead and added it in here. For family funds. So we are going to move into my wallet. So in my wallet, we are going to add $40 into groceries, 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Actually, I don't want to use those ones because they look nice. So they're 40. So 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 44 in groceries. There's not much in here at all. Eating out, I'm skipping. Gas, I will be traveling some, so I'm adding $100 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 5, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So I have 190 in gas, and I actually need to get gas. But I'm trying to beef this up before I have to do my traveling. And family is going to get $5, and I think I'll use these ones. What's that? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So family has 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And that is going to be it for this binder. Sorry, I think I bumped it. So now I'm going to move into my daughter's binder, and I'm using my new binder from the Millennial Dollar. And that is this one. So first thing, you know what? I want to add to these, and I didn't budget for it, so I'll take money from somewhere else. But this is going to just be a mystery savings, and I am putting whatever in it, and I will count it when I'm done. $10. Same thing for this one. Do I have the green marker? I do. I'm just gonna add 5 here. And then at the end, we'll see what we have, and I'll probably just move it back in this binder to some of my daughter's stuff. So registration is going to get $10, and that's going to be all that it has. I think I'll go through and update the trackers off camera. Tuition is getting $75, 20, 40, 60, 75. That's going to be all that it has. Uniform, I was going to put $10 in here, but I'll just do 5 since I did that mystery challenge. Supplies is also getting $5. And books is getting skipped, and miscellaneous is going to get $5 as well. So these inserts are from the Millennial Dollar, and then they did Millennial Dollar and Simply Budget did a collab. So I got these bookmarks from Simply Budgeted, and I got these inserts from the Millennial Dollar, and then I got these inserts from Simply Budget, but it's a collab that they have. So I was like, why not just put it in their binder? So we're gonna move, I did miscellaneous, into Birthday Girl. She's gonna get $10, and she will have 25 in here. I'm thinking we're gonna do Sky Zone again for her birthday. Clothes, I'm gonna add $5, and I believe it will have 8 now, yes. Savings and investments for her, we're gonna add $15, 10, 15, and now she has 30. I'm gonna try to do $15 a week, and then maybe at the beginning of the year, unstuff it and add it to her savings account. Buffer is going to get $5. So now it has 55 in buffer. So that is going to be it for this binder. And I'm going to move into my sinking funds. So my down payment is going to get the rest of this, I think. We'll add $50 into down payment. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This envelope is kind of stuck. I'm gonna go ahead and update this one now. So it should have 2,650 for down payment. And I think I need to update this because I think I have a little more. So 2,500 in the bank, 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2650 for this. I need to get a placeholder that I can write on so I don't have to stuff this envelope like this. I might just leave that in the bag. Call it a day. And then the last thing I'm going to go into is my self-care binder. And we are just going to add money into spa. I really want to go get a massage. And I think I should be close to having enough. So I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Did I do that right? 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much do you need? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. I think I need like $95. So I need $25 more. But that's it for today's video. Super short and sweet and to the point. Thanks you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.